I am Anuj. I built a tax reminder automation system for Cymasonic Lab. Here are my Google Sheet, which is showing you the data source, and I'm used it as data storage. So there's a task given by my CTO ma'am. So which I have done. There is a column like task name, owner, phone number, due date, and status. And I have one more sheet like log sheet where all the tasks were stored, which is sent with the help of Tulo. So let's move forward with my workflow, which I created in n8n. So this is my workflow which I created with the help of n8n. So this is the modular architecture starting with a daily 9 a.m. trigger, or you can say scheduler. Then it reads the task of the Google Sheet, then filter out the completed tasks, then checks the due dates and dates, routes for the today and tomorrow, and then it separately formats the messages with the help of Trello WhatsApp API, and finally log result back to the Google Sheet. Now let us run this to show you each node executing in real time, flowing data through the pipeline. So here we execute the code. As you see, there is a error in the branches, but the pipeline is executed successfully. So why this error occur? So I am using the Trello free tier model, which only gives 50 requests per day. So sorry, but while testing, I reached my limit to 50. That's why it is not working. But yeah, I show you that it is working, and this is also send the message to your contact number as I show to my CTO ma'am. Then I can also show you the messages which I get on Trello API. So here is the messages which I got in the Trello reminder. As you see the date, time, it from 8 a.m. to almost at 1:34 is the last message which I got, and also one more contact number. This is how I got the messages, and I also built a dashboard for it. So this is the dashboard, and this is my GitHub repo. So first we can go through with the documentation part and review part. So this is a normal documentation overview. So here I built the n8n workflow architect, and this pipeline show you how it is workflow. So as I previously explained you, right, daily reminder at 9 a.m., then read task, then filter, then checks the date, then it move to the routes of the due date, then path A, then path B for format for today, format for tomorrow. Then with the help of WhatsApp via Trello API, we have a path A and path B. For path A, this is success log, where path B is a failure log. Then it all data through to the Google spreadsheet, which is I mentioned the name with log. Additionally, I also make the dashboard for it. So with the help of HTML. So this is the dashboard. This is hosted in Vercel. So if we see, this shows you the pipeline whole recovery, like system status, what is the system, it is in live monitor. Then data, so this is all live data. Task due today, zero due today, and then delivery success 53. Why this 53? Because I right now fetch so many requests, so the delivery success rate is down. Because I don't know the free tag gives 50 requests, but after quite research, I know about it. Then trigger timing is 9 a.m. daily. The task source is Google spreadsheet. Message transfer, as I mentioned, Trello WhatsApp API, and audit login sheet 2, which is append the data in the row. So this is our live data, and this is working dynamically. As I show you, there's the execution time. All workflow is given there, how it is working. So almost 73 audit log written by the legal. Almost 76 requests I send it, and who are the owners workload. So right now system I have three tasks which I assigned, and Anuj me, and this is my contact two, and Dominic have one more request. So this is a task portfolio which is a spreadsheet one data, and below it is a spreadsheet two data. So right now you see there is a fail messages, so many. Here it is a send messages, which is also mentioned in the sheet. Here you got the detail of the task, phone number, and timing of the data, where at which time you send, and is it a pass or fail. So this is a mem number. So this is a pass message, and mem also received the messages from Tulo WhatsApp API. Then if we move forward, so yeah, I can show you how it is dynamically work. So first you can see there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 name. Then if I go to my spreadsheet and redirect task, and if we remove two name, so let's delete it. Then if we check to the dashboard, refresh it, refreshes it once. Nah, here you got only five names. So these are dynamically working, and same with the logs. Also, it is working. So thank you. This is all